YouTube, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. I know you guys are probably wondering where I've been, what I've been doing. Let's just say I've been, working. I haven't really been having too much content to drop. But whilst I've been gone for the past month or so, I've pretty much been gathering a bunch of clips to add in a video today. It's pretty much racing, car meets, car shows, little hangouts with the boys with cars, stuff like that. And today we're going to pretty much put it all into one video. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. If you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, help me get to 2K. The goal is 5,000 subscribers. So first things first, let's hit 2K and then we're on the road to 5K. After today, we are back on the grind to vlogging, making full YouTube video content again. As you guys can see, I've been gone for like a good month. So yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. One more time. Subscribe, road to 2K, and let's get right into this compilation of clips all into one banger video.
Okay, GTI. Oh, hazards on. Hazards on. Oh my god. Dot, why you put the hazards? Oh my god. Dot round is. Oh! Damn, Michael's got the hazards on from early, man. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow.
I never thought this lifestyle would've changed us. To hold my family straight, I never cared about being famous. Some niggas don't.
Y ahora menéalo, menéalo. Ta, ta, ta. Ahí. Sí, para que él.
See, everybody want to live that static life. But you don't want to live that static life till that static life lives you, nigga. This is what static niggas go through, man. Static shit. We outside. That boy back outside, my boy. I knew I smelled fast guy around here. Ooh, nah, yo, niggas don't know how to act.
Yo, fuck NISMO Nick, alright? That nigga's the S4 killer.
Oh my God.
He killed that, he killed that.
Fucking hatch, nigga. This shit sound like caca popo.
Yo, for love.
Nah, them shits are hard. Oh, it's fucking porn. Oh, shit! Oh! Smart ass man.
He don't pay his deposit. Nigga, bring that shit from me.
Nah, that shit clean.
Yo, he got money. Damn, that nigga is shitting on niggas. Yo, that's your kid. I'm fine. Oh my God.
Nah, it do look good, I ain't gonna lie. Watch out, Henry.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. No, I could imagine.
Wait. No! Outside.
lie, he got it. I want that Volkswagen again. I want him again. I want that nigga again. I raced him already. That's it.
They're original. So he's getting.
Nah, this shit different.